Hi everyone, it's me, and in today's video I'll be telling you what is this pre-boards thing that is happening. I posted this comment on Telegram and everyone is so excited about it because it's gonna be really helpful. It's gonna help you gain that confidence that you need during your boards and pre-boards and everything. It's basically like a pre-boards that I'm conducting on Telegram, and I'm gonna tell you all the details, how you can attend it, how you can give the paper, how you can submit it, when is it happening, all the deets, all the good deets. And literally within minutes I got so many replies and everyone's too excited about it. So this is the schedule that I made and these are the dates the paper is gonna be held. It's starting in like a day or two from when you're watching this. Probably it's from the 24th of November to the 2nd of December. The timings are gonna be from 8:30 to 10:30 at night, and yes, the timings will vary for other subjects such as maths and Hindi, which require more time. So I'll explain the entire procedure. First, on the day given time, I will send you the paper via Telegram. It will be posted on my Telegram groups, all the 3-4 groups that I have. All the links are in the description, so you can go join that. This paper is for ICSE class 10, totally based on the boards pattern and mostly PYQs, because I talked to you guys on Telegram and I realized people have not started doing question papers. They've not even touched PYQs, and you really need to join and do it with everyone. Reason why you should attend this pre-boards on Telegram is number one, you'll gain a lot of confidence for your pre-boards and boards. During my 10th, I had done PYQs multiple times, 2-3 times like that, and it was really helpful. Helped me score a 96 point something percent in ICSE class 10 boards. Yeah, you can go check that out later. But wait, listen पहले. ऐसे हम लोग घर पे जब नॉर्मली पेपर्स देते हैं ना, तो वो एग्जाम वाली फीलिंग नहीं आती क्योंकि हम लोग टाइमर लगा के एकदम सही से नहीं कर पाते. आफ्टर आई सेंड यू द पेपर ऑन टेलीग्राम, यू विल गेट योर रीडिंग टाइम, your writing time, and then within 30 minutes after your writing time is over, you are supposed to click pictures of your paper properly and then make a PDF. It's better if you rename your PDF, writing the subject and then your name decided. A Google form link will be sent to you on Telegram. Uske through you will submit the paper. So the answer key will be sent to you within 2 to 3 days. So वो correction वाला process वो सब भी होता रहेगा. Some of your doubts were regarding this कि एक तो आप chapter wise चलो, but see there is hardly any time left for your pre-boards and boards. So chapter wise अभी जाना is really difficult, and because there are so many subjects, it'll take a lot of time. Like every day you'll be able to give one paper at max here. Other than that, I would definitely recommend you to practice papers at home. As far as ICSE is concerned, I feel like one paper at night every day is good enough. So that's what we're gonna do. And I also got a few comments saying that your syllabus is not complete yet. वो confidence कभी नहीं आते कि your syllabus is 100% over until you give your papers. Giving practice papers is so important. I cannot stress that enough. I'll give you a little example. There are two people. First person completed the syllabus very nicely, did all the back questions, did all the theory portions, सब कुछ classes वगैरह अच्छे से attend करा, but did not even touch PYQs, did not do any kind of question paper practice. And the second person did little bit of theory here and there. मतलब थोड़ी थोड़ी चीज़ें रह गई थी, mostly चीज़ें थोड़ी बहुत कर ली, थोड़ी बहुत रह गई, वैसे टाइप की सिचुएशन में. But they did the last 10 years papers very thoroughly, multiple times, एक दो बार आराम से, and also practice various other papers that I already posted on my Google Drive. If you want to check that out, I'm telling you the second person will do much better. वो जो exam देने का practice होता है ना, if you do that very nicely, even if your theory and all is not that good, you'll be able to do it really well. Yeah, so that's about it. So here are the dates. 24th English, 25th Biology and Commercial Studies, both timing थोड़ा up down कर लेंगे. 26th Mathematics, 27th Physics, 28th History and Civics, 29th Economics, 30th Chemistry, 1st December is Hindi, 2nd December is Geography. The reading time will start at 8:30 p.m. at night and your paper will go on till 10:30, 10:45, like 11 बजे तक चल जाएगा easily. And the reason why this paper is being conducted so late is because देखो सबका स्कूल चल रहा है, सुबह उसमें बिजी, बहुत लोग की शाम को क्लासेस होती है, and even I'm not free during that time to conduct the paper. And another thing, during the paper you'll be joining a Zoom meeting, just to get that exam feeling around. Everyone's gonna be there. I think hundreds and 200s of students are going to be attending this paper, so you really don't want to miss out. The Zoom link will be sent to you beforehand on the Telegram group itself, and the criteria that you can give this paper is number one, You need to be in class 10 ICSE. Number 2, you need to be subscribed to my channel, Nehal Baid. Go click subscribe right now. I'll be sharing the answer key, the dates and all the information here on YouTube because you know इतनी सारी चीज़ें एक मैसेज में करना पॉसिबल नहीं होता, कोई पढ़ नहीं पाता है इतना. Just posting it on YouTube will become easier for me to explain also and for you to understand as well. है ना, तो ये सारी चीज़ें होती है. Do subscribe and check out the ICSE playlist that I've made for ICSE related videos. I also posted a video about my ICSE boards results, pre-boards week, ICSE books, all of that. Really short videos, so you all can, you know, just go through it if you want to. I'll link everything down below in the description box. 11, 12, and you all want to practice papers as well, you all can come join. But obviously paper आपको अपना खुद का, you know, ला के आप कर सकते हो because I'll be there studying with you all, but obviously I'll not be giving the ICSE class 10 paper. One last request that I have, बहुत लोगों को लग रहा है कि you know they won't be able to attend it and then syllabus complete नहीं है, या तो एक बहाना ये हो गया या थोड़ा लेट हो रहा है, दूसरा बहाना ये हो गया, ऐसे करके they will keep on delaying the process. मतलब वो दिन कभी नहीं आएगा कि आपको टाइम मिलेगा, कब आपका सिलेबस कंप्लीट होगा कि आप वो पेपर दे पाओ, है ना. सो इट्स बेस्ट स्टिक टू दिस प्लान. जो डेट को जो एग्ज़ाम हो रहा है उस हिसाब से आप प्रिपेयर करते चलो. ज़्यादातर लोगों का प्री बोर्ड्स दिसंबर में ही हो रहा है और थोड़े लोगों का जनवरी में. सो आफ्टर दैट ऑल्सो आई विल कंडक्ट another set of papers which might be different from PYQs. वो सजेशन आप ही मेरे को दे देना तब क्या करने का है, PYQs लेके या ऐसे ही कोई रैंडम पेपर लेके. Before boards we'll do 2 to 3 sets like this if you all want, only if you all want. If this thing gets a good response like the first set, we might do part 2, part 3 ऐसे करके. I hope this will help you a lot, you know, in your preparation. Another thing I would like to mention, it will be very interesting and really short. मेरे 10th में भी मैंने ऐसे ऑनलाइन पेपर्स दिए थे. हमारा एक और टेलीग्राम ग्रुप हुआ करता था, उसमें मैंने भी दिया था पेपर सबमिट करके हिस्ट्री वगैरह का. एक्चुअली एक ब्लॉग भी है, उसमें भी मैंने वही पेपर दिखाया था. काइंड ऑफ वहाँ से ही आई थिंक वो थॉट ओरिजिनेट करा होगा. मेरे को सुबह सुबह रैंडमली आया, मैंने मतलब ऐसे ही कमेंट कर दिया एंड एवरीवन गॉट सो एक्साइटेड, सो इट काइंड ऑफ हाइप्ड मी अप अ लिटिल बिट. एंड लास्टली मैं आपको बस इतना बोलना चाहती हूँ, अगर आपकी हालत ना बहुत ही बुरी है, मतलब आपको ऑलमोस्ट कुछ भी नहीं आता है ICSE में, अभी भी आपके पास टाइम है, अभी भी आप बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हो. 80%, 90%, 95% तक ला सकते हो ईजिली, है ना. ये पेपर्स वगैरह फॉलो करते जाओ. पहले ही सारे 10 years पेपर्स अच्छे से करने हैं, उसके बाद आप थ्योरी वगैरह अपना करते रहना. अनदर थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन अबाउट दिस टेस्ट, अगर आप जब पेपर देने बैठे हो, ठीक है, आपने पेपर देना स्टार्ट करा, 40-50% से भी कम आपको आ रहा है, उसमें आपको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है क्वेश्चन में क्या हो रहा है. हो सकता है आपकी प्रिपरेशन उतनी स्ट्रांग ना हो या फिर आपने पढ़ा हो लेकिन आप भूल गए हो. अगर ऐसा कुछ होता है, आपको बहुत कम आ रहा है, सो डोंट वेस्ट टाइम ओवर दैट. गेट योर टेक्स्ट बुक, ओपन इट, see and write, and वो साथ साथ में लर्न करते हुए जाना. This will not be considered as cheating in the end. Even though this is a test, this is also practice and learning for your exam. If you have any other doubts, do let me know in the comments. I will make another video regarding this, so also subscribe and I'll see you on the 24th.